Here is an example of corrosion from contact. The external surface of the fittings and pipe were directly exposed to contact with substances that are aggressive to steel. In this specific case, the stainless steel came in contact with cement, mortar, or other aggressive substances that can be present in a construction site. If these substances deposit on the steel, it can trigger corrosion starting from the outside that can arrive inside the pipe, creating leaks. Mortars and cements can, in fact, be very aggressive substances. If they are deposited dry, the aggressiveness is medium to low. If, on the other hand, these products are deposited wet on pipes, their aggressiveness is high. With the presence of humidity in the atmosphere or inside walls, when the pipes have not been properly insulated, the reaction between the steel and the aggressive materials is more severe. In construction sites, we must keep these substances from coming into contact with the pipes before they have been adequately insulated with specific closed-cell materials. It would be a shame if a state-of-the-art installation like this one, which could remain operational for over 20 years, had to be replaced because it was contaminated with aggressive construction materials. With time, these substances can create holes in the steel and, therefore, leaks. We can see how this system was specially made with two different types of compatible materials. In this case, steel and brass. However, it is absolutely mandatory to avoid contact between stainless steel and carbon steel. Contact between these two incompatible materials will lead to a type of corrosion known as bimetallic. If, however, you need to proceed with combining these two materials, you must insert a electric coupling between them made out of non-ferrous material. Thanks.